Hello everyone and welcome back to the Food Vision Media DIY channel. Okay, we're going to focus on an air fryer favorite. I'm talking about sweet potato fries, okay? And we're being really sweet. So we're going to go ahead and have 2 sweet potatoes. Going to have a potato peeler, a knife, butter, nutmeg, a little bit of that garlic powder there. We're going to have olive oil and some vanilla extract. And also, you're going to want to have a bowl to mix all of the ingredients in, of course. And I forgot to add in this frame that we're going to be using some brown sugar. So I popped it in there for you. All right, we're going to go ahead and peel the potatoes to prep them for cutting in this next frame here. All right, so we went ahead and washed our potatoes. We peeled our potatoes. And now we're going to chop them up into steak fry form. Now I didn't add me cutting up the fries, but that's okay. Let's move right along. We're going to sprinkle on some olive oil there on the fries, so that way they can receive all the seasonings and coat very well and also don't get burnt in the air fryer. I'm going to run my hands through to make sure that all of the fries are coated in this wonderful olive oil. And you can also use olive oil spray. You can use olive oil, like the runny kind. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you don't add too much, because if you add too much in the air fryer, it's not gonna make them as crispy as you want them to be. So just make sure you get a nice little coating on the fries, but not too much. So we're gonna go ahead and start adding our seasonings and our preparations so that we can go ahead and stick them in the air fryer. Okay, let's start off with our vanilla extract. We're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of that vanilla extract in. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, just because nutmeg is my favorite. I love nutmeg, okay? I love it. It's like Christmas to me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it around with my fingers there. Getting ready to add in the cinnamon, of course. And you want to add a lot of cinnamon. We're trying to make like sweet potato yam fries. I don't know if you guys know what yams are, but they're like served mostly during Thanksgiving. They're like a sweet potato, and they top them with like marshmallows or stuff like that. So we're trying to make them like that. I know normally sweet potato fries are made with salt and pepper because the potato itself is already sweet, but I wanted to mix it up a bit. I wanted to do like sweet. Okay guys, obviously my dog scared me. Sorry about that. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to drop in that brown sugar. And it just all depends on you how much brown sugar you want. Remember, we're imitating like sweet yams with these sweet potato fries. So this is different than adding salt and pepper at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it in with my hands. And they are already coated with the oil, remember? So they're gonna stick to the fries perfectly. This is gonna be effortlessly delicious. I guarantee you that. All right, you see how that looks? And I apologize for the bad lighting in this video. One of my lights had went out, and the maintenance team has not help me out with that, so that's probably why it's all kind of bad lighting in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the air fryer there. I'm gonna coat it with the spray oil. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop in the fries. Now just look at how delicious those look dropping in. Wow, that looks great. They look cooked already. I'm gonna even it out in the pan so that way I know that they're gonna cook pretty evenly. And then I'm also gonna take them out in the middle of them finishing the process and just check on them to see, if they're cooking properly and that they're not burning or that they're not overcooking, getting soggy. I'm gonna add a few pieces of butter in there just for the flavor. And I already set the dials to, I believe, about 350 degrees, and they're gonna cook for about 15 minutes. So this is me taking them out halfway through just to check and see how they look. And of course they look beautiful, golden, crispy, ready to go, but I want them a little bit more crispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick them back inside the air fryer just a little bit longer, so that way I'm satisfied with the crispiness and the way the sugar hits my tongue. All right, guys, so I went ahead and plated them there. They look super scrumdiddlyumptious. I'm gonna take a bite of this one, and I guarantee you, I mean, this is a different way to try these fries. You know, usually, like I said in the beginning, they're prepared with salt and pepper because the fry itself is already sweet. But I'm just saying, try it my way and let's see how we'll go. The only thing that I'm missing here is a dipping sauce, but I'm like, what would you dip these sweet fries in? Comment below and tell me. All right, and thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more of my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.